Hello, today I'm going to talk to you about and demonstrate the BTR Generation 5 frame bag with mobile phone holder. As the name suggests, this is the 5th version of this bag, and I'm going to talk to you A, about the standard features that come with all of the bags, and B, and mainly about the benefits that come with this latest design. Okay, the standard design of the bag, we have a storage area underneath, and then we have a phone pocket on top. Okay, in the storage area here we have a key clip and we have 2 luggage straps there, which just clip on and off like that. Then at the top we have the phone pocket, so it's Velcro, so you just put your phone in like that. And you can use the phone via the screen like that. One other point to mention is this area here on some of the previous versions used to be sealed off. So for instance, if you had your battery pack in the storage area here and you wanted to have the cable running between there and your phone, it was a little bit tricky. This obviously resolves that, so it's easy to connect anything in here to the phone there. Okay, now for some of the other benefits for this 5th generation. Okay, firstly, the phone pocket is larger. This is to accommodate sort of modern phones, which seem to be getting ever bigger. This is the Samsung Galaxy S7, and this is the large bag. And even that phone's got a case on, and you can see, it fits in no problem at all. On the side here, the logo is now reflective. So in the nights, that will is reflective. We've got the tape. This is actually sewn on there, so it's a good quality tape, so not just a print which will wear off. So basically, and that's both sides. So that's just for some extra visibility in the evening. The way it attaches to the bike. Okay, so this has 5 points of contact as opposed to previous versions having 3. So we've got at the front we have 2, so we have a pull cord and a Velcro strap. The theory being just one of them should be okay, 2 of them is even better, so it's trying to accommodate all different styles and designs of bike. Underneath we have 3. Okay, so these 2 are Velcro straps. With a lot of bikes, that should be all you need, just to attach them around, and that will be fine. We have this 3rd clip here, which has got a clip. As you see, this is really long, so the idea of this can stretch out to go onto bikes with frames where there's a gap between the crossbar and the bottom bar, so it can loop around there. Or if need be, if it hasn't got that, then it can be shortened just to go around the top bar. One final thing to point out is these are slightly, the other side of the Velcro, they're slightly textured now, all the straps. This is just to stop the bag sliding around so much, and just to give a bit more grip to the frame. Okay, the final main difference on this bag is the material it's made out of. It's a slightly improved material, it's a little bit more durable, but one of the best benefits is it's got a water resistance coating, so it makes it a lot more water resistant. The only reason the bag isn't waterproof is because this tape which is sewn on there's no lining the other side of it, and also the phone pocket, there's no lining the other side of that. Well, while we're talking about waterproof, water resistance, this bag is the only one which has the actual waterproof zips, so it makes them a little harder to manoeuvre, but they're waterproof. So as much as it isn't 100% waterproof, I mean it is, to be honest, pretty water resistant, and I will just demonstrate that now. Take the phone out, see it's bone dry, so I think, you know, unless you're really out to really get caught for a prolonged period of time, this is going to be pretty good at keeping your contents protected from the elements. But as an extra option, should you want, we do offer it with a waterproof cover. Which you can just store in there, and then you just put it on nice and easy. And that pretty much explains the Generation 5 bike bag. Thank you very much for listening.